Hi, Leanne here, and today I'm reviewing this footrest that goes under a desk or a countertop. My husband bought this for his at-home office. He uses it under his desk. And it's a cool device because the purpose is to keep your legs and feet at a more relaxed, ergonomic, natural, comfortable position. And it's really easy to tilt. So you can see here, just by flexing my calves back and forth, I can get any angle I want. So like if I was wearing a shoe with a thick heel, or even high heels, I could easily adjust that without having to, actually maneuver the machine. It does have 3 different height levels that you can lock into place. So if you're at the kitchen counter, for example, and you need it higher, I just lifted that up. It's lightweight, it's all plastic. So I can also move this around the house as needed. So from the office to the kitchen table to the countertop, this is an item that can easily be moved around the home. All in all, I think this does exactly what I expected it to. Oh, let me tell you, it also has these little massage beads on the very top. So that's comfortable for your feet. So yeah, it's a product I like and recommend.